increasingly interconnected world, a single decision can shake economies, rattle global markets, and reshape the balance of power. In 2025, that decision came once again from Washington. Former President Donald Trump has reignited the U.S.-China tariff battle, imposing new tariffs targeting Chinese electric vehicles, steel, and technology products, citing national security, trade imbalances, and unfair practices. In retaliation, Beijing struck back. Tariffs on U.S. agricultural products, tech components, and luxury goods surged. The echo of 2018-2019 trade tensions had returned, but in a changed world. This new clash unfolds not in isolation, but in the shadows of a shifting global order. With the U.S. hardening its stance on Chinese influence in the Indo-Pacific and AI-driven technologies, and China aligning more closely with Russia and the global South, the tariff war is more than economics, it's strategy. Tariffs, once tools of negotiation, are now levers of power in a multipolar chessboard. For the United States, the tariffs are a double-edged sword. While intended to protect domestic industries, they raise prices for American businesses and consumers already burdened by inflation. In China, exports have dipped, but internal economic resilience has grown. Beijing accelerates its pivot to domestic consumption and trade with non-Western partners, especially within BRICS+. The rest of the world watches anxiously. From Southeast Asia to Europe, supply chains are disrupted, investor confidence wanes, and global growth projections are trimmed. Nations are forced to pick sides, or find ways to de-risk and decouple their economies from great power rivalry. This tariff war signals a deeper fracture. The global order shaped by Western-led liberal economics is being challenged, not just by China, but by an emerging bloc seeking autonomy from dollar dominance and U.S. oversight. Geoeconomics is the new battleground, where trade routes, rare earths, and semiconductors replace armies. Can diplomacy prevail before protectionism becomes the norm? Will decoupling accelerate a new Cold War economy, or can both giants find common ground in an unstable world? Experts suggest targeted cooperation in climate change, AI governance, and food security might offer pathways to stability. But trust, once broken, is hard to repair. In this era of disruption, the question is not who wins the tariff war, but whether the world can afford its cost. Was this trade war inevitable? What do you think the world should do to avoid another Cold War? Drop your thoughts in the comments, and don't forget to subscribe for deep dives into today's most pressing issues.